Oh, we ate too much. Or, Tommy, are you okay? Oh, or oh, you got candy?
Thank you,
Oh, thank you. Hopefully you guys have some good luck soon. Yeah. Very good children right there. You want to say hello? Bonjour. Bonjour. Parlez-vous français?
I didn't know he speaks Spanish.
Yeah, he does. I said hello. How are you? I see he speaks Spanish. Hola. Hola. ¿Cómo se llama? Hello. Merci beaucoup. Let's have a good one.
Yeah,
You guys want to say hello? Yeah. Oh, you guys are good. No, you guys are on bikes? Oh, wow. All over the place.